Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back. Captain here, back with another leaked images of the Huawei sub-branded company Honor. Honor upcoming smartphone Honor 30 Pro Plus camera sample. They reveal some zooming picture. It's getting increasingly creation that we will get their new addition to the Honor 30 family, the Honor 30 and 30 Pro version, and the proper flagship 30 Pro Plus. Just a day ahead of the launching, Honor CEO George Zhao posted sample of the zooming capability of the Honor P30 Pro Plus variant. It will go up to 1x to 30x magnification, but we are yet to see how much of that is optics and what part is digital zoom. A series of images of the Chinese city Qingdao also show us the entry set of cameras, going from the ultra wide angle shoots in the first image, as you can see, to the long end of the zoom range in the last one, the 30x. We can perhaps hope that the Honor 30 Pro Plus well comes with the 10x optical zoom module from the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, but seeing how much digital interpolation is taking place in the last few shoots, we are more likely looking at the shorter periscope in the 4x and 5x range. We also got a low light shoot of the 27-kilometer long Xiumen Bridge over the East China Sea, clearly a demanding scene that the phone handled admirably. Of course, with all the comparison applied and with a little info as to what extra equipment was used for the photos. Meanwhile, we will see a leaked image of the upcoming Honor 30 smartphone. As you can see on your screen, the curved edge of the screen are visible and there are red dot in the pill-shaped hole, suggestion the phone might have an IR 3D ToF sensor for biometric security. Of course, it could also be an entirely different light source, so nothing is creation. Finally, we get a poster from a store showing the Honor 30 Pro price. As you can see on your screen, the phone is listed at Chinese yuan 4,999, equal $700, which is also the rumor starting price of the Honor 30 Pro Plus. However, we don't know about the what kind of memory option we are dealing in Honor 30 series. Let's see in upcoming days. Tomorrow they will launch this smartphone Honor 30 family, and one more Honor 30 Pro sample photo emerging hit at possible moon mode. On your screen you can see this is the Honor 30 Pro camera sample moon picture. Even though the Vivo post did not specify what mode they will use to produce the shots, it is probably safe to assume the new Honor 30 Pro will offer the moon mode that was introduced with the P30 Pro last year 2019. The photo above, as you can see on your screen, is taken with the main camera, while the one, as you can see on your screen, only the moon, is probably shoot with a periscope telephoto unit. Earlier rumors suggest that the main camera is borrowed from the Huawei P40 Pro, the 50 megapixel Sony IMX700 sensor. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Honor 30 family, the Honor 30 Pro Plus? Maybe they will add some amazing zooming capability in this smartphone. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this upcoming smartphone from Honor, the Huawei sub-branded company, and make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.